What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode on Keeping It Real with Credit. Now, in today's episode, we're going to talk about the dispute process and exactly how you can use it to your advantage. My team has learned everything that we're going to go over today, so that way you have a better understanding as to how we do what we do. Now, as a disclaimer, this video should not be taken as legal advice, for it's just for educational purposes only, and I am not an attorney, so please contact a consumer attorney if you need any legal assistance at all whatsoever. When it comes to disputing items on your credit report, one of the most important things you want to know is that you should never dispute online. Yes, disputing online may seem faster and more convenient, but it can actually hurt you in the long run. When disputing online, it does require you to enter information regarding the errors on your credit report. However, your dispute is then converted to a 2 to 3 digit code and then sent over to the credit bureaus to initiate an investigation. But what you don't know is that disputing online takes away from your rights under the Fair Credit Reporting Act. By law, the Fair Credit Reporting Act allows you a 30-day time frame to conduct an investigation and to respond to a dispute. And if the investigation is not responded within that time frame, it must be removed from your credit report. When you use the automated dispute system, it makes it easy for the bureaus to not respond or conduct a full investigation. You also won't have a paper trail when using the automated dispute system. If you have to take further legal action against the bureaus, it will be more difficult as well. The system also limits what you can dispute. You won't be able to send all relevant information about the dispute. The Fair Credit Reporting Act states that all relevant information has to be sent to the data furnisher. You are not able to do that when you dispute online. Also, there's a section in the Fair Credit Reporting Act that changes in the standard requirements and the protections given to you by the Fair Credit Reporting Act when you use an online disputing system. This is listed under the Expeditious Dispute Resolution section, which states that the agency shall not be required to comply with paragraph 2, 6, and 7 with respect to the dispute if they delete the trade line within 3 days. Okay, but what exactly does that even mean? Paragraph 2 requires the credit reporting agency to forward all your disputes and related documentation to provide to the creditor, but as I mentioned earlier, the online disputing process doesn't allow for any paperwork or documentation to be provided or considered. What you also don't know is that sometimes the bureaus will delete the item without forwarding the dispute to the data furnishers. Then the data furnishers ends up re-reporting the item in the next reporting cycle, and since the data furnisher most likely will not be aware of your dispute, then they may add the item back on your credit report. The bureaus are required to send you a notice prior to reinserting a deleted item on your credit report, but if you dispute online, the bureaus do not have to follow that part of the law. They do not have to send you a reinsertion notice. Paragraph 6 requires the bureaus to provide you with the written results. When you dispute online, they do not have to comply with this part of the law as well. And finally, paragraph 7 requires the bureaus to provide you with the method of verification when you request it, and this is a powerful tool used in the dispute process. Again, if you dispute online, they do not have to do this as well. So with that being said, guys, I hope you like the information on this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share with family and friends, and until the next episode on Keeping It Real with Credit, peace.